Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about factors and multiples. Block number 14, factors and multiples. What is prime number? Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, one and the number itself. Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, one and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 19. There are the example of prime numbers. The numbers are have only two factors. Next, composite numbers. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. The numbers that have more than two factors means that number is called composite number. Here example 4, 6, 8, 9. There are having more than two factors. So these numbers are called composite numbers. The next one is perfect number. If the sum of all the factors of a number is equal to twice the number, then that the number is called a perfect number. If the sum of all the factors of a number is equal to twice the number, then that the number is called a perfect number. Here example 28. The factor of 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. If we add the number, we will get the number is 56. It is a twice of 28. So that number is perfect number. Next, we are going to see about the prime numbers 1 to 100. There are 25 prime numbers between of 1 to 100. Let us learn how to find the prime numbers in 1 to hundreds. First, we made a number chart of 1 to 100. Right, 1 is not a prime and the composite number, so we accept that one. After that, we circle the number 2 and we have to strike out all the even numbers because it all divisible by 2. So I strike out that all the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 18, 28, 38, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70, 72, 74, 76, 78 and 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 94, 96, 98 and 100. The next step is I encircle 3 and cross out all the multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 41, 45, then 48, 52, 55. Then I strike out all the multiples of 3. Next, first we have to cross out the 2 multiples. After that, 3 multiples, 3 and 3 multiples. We have to strike out the numbers. At last, we have to encircle that number 5 and strike out all the multiples of 5. So, we have to strike out all the numbers. Remaining, we have only 25 numbers are there. These numbers are the prime number. Just once again I tell the steps how to find out the prime numbers 1 to 100 in the number chart. Okay, first we have to leave the number, it's 1 because it's not a prime number, it's not a composite number. After that we have to encircle number 2 and cross out all the other multiples of number 2. For example, 2, 6, 8 and so on. The next step is you will find out the number, encircle the number is 3 and we have to strike out all the multiples of 3. The next step is we have to encircle number 5 and cross out all the multiples of 5. Continue this process until all the numbers on the list are either encircled or crossed out. All the encircled numbers are prime number. All the crossed out numbers are then composite number. Thank you, children.